I don't know what's up with my camera. It looks fuzzy right now. Sorry about that. I think I might have fixed it. Smell smoking these. My son's relaxing right now, farther away from me. So, all you haters. Excuse me. I might see my friend tonight, but if I don't see him tonight, I'm seeing him tomorrow for sure. He has to do some things in my city. So, yeah. But, yeah. Did my makeup like this. Still wearing the shirt. I love this shirt. I have another one like this in pink. I think I got it at Walmart. I'm pretty sure. So. Every time I'm at Walmart, I always go to the plus size section because that's where my clothes are at. So, like, if I want to shop for clothes, that's where I go. And then there's one Walmart that is like a super Walmart that has such great deals. You can't beat it. Like $3 shirts. But my Walmart sells, right now is selling tank tops because of the heat getting, heating up down here and everything. So they're selling tank tops now. And man, last month, or maybe it was earlier this month. I think it was earlier this month. I bought tons of tank tops. But yeah. I love tank tops, but I'm loving this shirt right now, even though it's long sleeve. The material is perfect. It feels so good. And, sometimes it gets a little chilly out here still, so, usually, in the morning time, and then, late at night, or whatever, it gets kind of chilly. It's supposed to rain for a couple days coming up, actually, 4 days, so it's gonna suck, but, whenever it rains, I always check the time on Google. That way, if it stops raining, I know, when it's going to stop raining, what time I can go outside and everything. So, it's always accurate. Just like on that movie, Back to the Future, when they were checking the weather, So, but, it's kind of cool that, they can say what time it's going to rain, what time it's going to stop, and all that. But we'll see. Last time it rained, it didn't honestly rain that long. It rained a certain amount, enough to not stay outside. I switched where I sit. I'm actually sitting on the opposite side of where I sit, but I have this barbecue. If you can see it good right there. And it's actually one that doesn't work anymore, so I use it as a desk. I use it to put my cigarettes on. I use it to put my drink on. And then I have a light right here that goes on it like that. So, but, I got that light earlier this month. It's one that actually has a bulb on it, but, I like it. Probably need to buy some more light bulbs for it just in case the light bulb goes out so that I have some. But I got my brother one that doesn't take a light bulb. He likes it for his stuff that he likes to do. Yeah. So, yeah. So my son's on this side of me, so he's not where he can actually be in contact with my cigarette. But yeah, so. But we're just hanging out. I'm just watching him. Oh, dang, I got something on me. What? So, he's chilling on his chair. He's not anywhere near my smoke. We're outside, so. But, yeah, there seems to be some haters. Don't appreciate some things that I do, but haters gotta hate, right? Just living my life best way I can, working hard being a mom. So, I'm a full-time mom, and I don't got any help. I don't get